I was saving this for your birthday, but since this is the right time, flake it.
He's so adorable!
Press his nose.
Aw, that's adorable! Thanks, Luigi.
You're welcome, Tails. Want me to stay with you for the night?
Yes, please.
Good night, Tails.
Good night, Luigi.